Let's take a look at your specific problem here. So in your problem, we're told that out of 1,944 users of the sex selection method, 993 of those resulted in female births. So notice the notation that I'm using here. N is the sample size, X represents the number of births that were female. And so what we can do here is calculate what's called a sample proportion, P hat, where the sample proportion represents the proportion of all the users who use this ended up having a female birth. So to calculate this sample proportion, you want to memorize this. It's the part female out of the whole. So 993 births were female out of 1,944. So that tells us that that's 0.51, or approximately 51% of the births were female births when using that specific method. Okay, so using your common sense here, think about if a person did not use this method. So for someone who does not use the method and gets pregnant, what is the natural probability of conceiving a girl? So naturally, the probability of conceiving a girl is a 50% chance. So you have a 50% chance of conceiving a girl without using any method. So here we're also given some more information where we're told that in this particular study, there is about an 18% chance, okay, of getting this many babies, right, born female, right, if the method actually had no effect, meaning if the sex selection method actually did not really increase your chances of getting a female, you would have gotten the result of 51% female anyways due to chance, that chance being 18%. So the criterion we use to determine if results from a study are statistically significant or not is the rule that if the chance of getting this specific result is 5% or less, then we say that this result has statistical significance. But in this particular study, we're told that there was an 18% chance of getting this particular result. So 18% is higher than 5%. So if the probability of getting your results is greater than 5%, then we say that there is no statistical significance. So that is why in this particular problem, we would say that not many couples would use this method, because this method, the results show that it will only increase your chances from 50% to 51%. So, increasing your chances by 1% doesn't really seem very practical for someone to pay money to participate in this sex selection method, assuming they really want a female baby, if their chances of getting that female is only 51%.